So hi guys, welcome to this new video. Today in this video we are going to be reviewing the latest MacBook Pro. I have been searching about this laptop a lot and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you guys. And also everything that I will tell you in this video is based on the research that I have done for a few weeks. So now let's get into this video. So guys, first of all, let's talk about the design of this laptop. As with most Apple products, the MacBook Pro looks and feels sleek and premium. This laptop is available in two sizes, 13-inch and 16-inch. And it's definitely larger than what I'm used to, but it's very easy to carry around. The MacBook Pro has all metal body and the space gray finish looks amazing. Now guys, let's talk about the ports of this laptop. This is a controversial topic as the MacBook Pro only has USB-C ports. Personally, I don't mind this because I already have USB-C devices and adapters. But if you are someone who relies on traditional USB-A or HDMI ports, then you need to invest in some dongles. Moving on to the keyboard, this is one of the standout features of MacBook Pro. Apple has redesigned the keyboard so it's more reliable and comfortable to type on. The keys are really good and they feel less shallow than the previous generation. There is also a touch bar above the keyboard which is a touch screen that displays some important context and sensitive shortcuts. Let's talk about the display of this laptop. The MacBook Pro has a Retina display with two-tone technology, which means you don't have to adjust the color and temperature of this laptop. It will automatically adjust the color and temperature according to your environment. The colors are vibrant and the resolution is very high. I've been searching about this laptop a lot and according to my research, the display is totally game changer. Finally, let's talk about the performance of this latest MacBook Pro. The MacBook Pro is very powerful thanks to the latest M1 chip, and this laptop can handle everything from basic web browsing to advanced and heavy video editing. The laptop also has impressive battery life, which means you can work for hours without needing to charge. So these are my thoughts on the latest Apple MacBook Pro, and overall I'm really impressed with this laptop. It's a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable and powerful device for work or play. Thanks for watching this video and make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I will upload these kinds of review and technology related videos. So that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Peace.